When we want to add or subtract two fractions, the first thing that we need to do is make sure that they have the same denominator. Once we're sure they have the same denominator, then we add the numerators, the tops of the fractions, but we keep the denominators the same. So in this example I have 1/8 plus 2/8. You'll notice that the denominators are the same, and so we can add them together. And when I add them together, the denominator will also be 8 and 8. But on the numerators and the tops, we simply add them together as normal. So 1 plus 2 is 3. And so we get 3/8. It works with subtraction as well. If I have 6/7 subtract 2/7, I get, notice they're both sevenths, the denominator 7, so my denominator will be 7 in my answer, and for the numerator 6 subtract 2 is 4, so we get 4/7. Some things we need to be careful about is to make sure that our answers are simplified as much as possible. So in this case, our answer has a denominator of 6, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3/6. But we should be able to recognise at this stage that I can simplify 3/6 because 3 goes into 3 once and 3 goes into 6 twice. So we can simplify that. Also, I may be asked to give my final answer as a mixed number. For example, if I have 4/5 and I add that to 3/5, again the denominators are the same, so my denominator is 5. 4 and 3 is 7. But 7/5, again, hopefully we recognise that. We can write that as a mixed number as 1 and 2/5. And so depending on how we're asked to give our answer, we might give it as 7/5, or if we're asked for a mixed number, 1 and 2/5.